Hello friends, thank you so much for once again visiting my YouTube channel Vipin Serene. Before I move ahead, I would like to thank you all first of all for giving me such an overwhelming response. Let me make an honest confession. I was not expecting such a great response, but your love is beyond my expectations, I can say that. So please keep that up. Do keep watching my videos. Friends, as I had promised you last time, we will be working on our personality, and to begin with, we'll start off working on the communication skills that are needed most for success. Friends, before I move ahead, I would like to tell, we need to be very clear about what is communication. The dictionary definition may say, transmitting of views, ideas and thoughts from one person to another is communication. Or I may say conveying of views, ideas and thoughts from one person to another person. Can be to one person, can be to a group of people, or it can be to masses. So communication. The real thing is effectiveness of communication. How effective our communication is. If you remember, in the last video I had told you that it's all about politeness. How polite are you along with firmness will decide how effective your communication is. To add to it, I would like to tell that primarily we make three types of communications: verbal, non-verbal and textual. Verbal communication is all about our words that we speak and the tone that we express. Yes, the tone. It is of three types: authoritative, neutral and polite. I promise you we'll have a complete video on tone. It is very, very important. So friends, now when we say three types of communications, one is verbal, words and tone. Non-verbal, it's all about your body language, your physical appearance even, your gestures, your postures, your facial expressions, everything comes in your non-verbal communication. Then the in thing, textual communication, all about WhatsApping, SMSing, email, whatever way you communicate, but not in the form of words and body language, is textual primarily. So friends, so these are the three main types of body languages, three types of communication styles. And today we will be discussing the verbal communication. I would like to tell that communication is just not speaking. An effective part of communication is your listening skills also. Communication is just not speaking, but effective communication is listening too. We have to listen to the other person also. However, in today's session, what we are going to do is, we'll just talk about speaking skills. And in those speaking skills, what I would like to cover is the 4 C's. The 4 basic C's of communication: clarity, correctness, conciseness and completeness. When I say these are 4 basic C's, what I would like to say along with that is they are mandatory. You need to have them in your communication. Clarity is spashtata. Correctness is shuddhata. Conciseness is sankshiptata. And completeness is sampurta. Friends, I would like to say that clarity is of 2 types: clarity of thoughts and clarity of tongue. They both are very important. Though I don't doubt anyone when it comes to clarity of thoughts, you all are good brains. However, when it comes to clarity of tongue, we all need to work on it. We all need to work on it. I remember I was told once, if you're not clear, you're not understandable. And if you're not understandable, you're meaningless and you're useless. So you need to be understandable, you need to be meaningful, and you need to be useful. The most important thing in that case would be your clarity of tongue. So what do we do for that? Speak slow, speed-wise. Speak high, volume-wise. Open your mouth and punctuate. Yes, practice these 4 things. Speak slow, speed-wise. Speak high, volume-wise. Open your mouth and punctuate. You need to punctuate at the right place, otherwise it changes the meaning of the message. Hang him not, let go. hang him, not let go. There's just a change in punctuation and the message changes. So be very careful about it. So this is clarity. Second thing is correctness. It's all about right choice of words, right placement of words, and no missing words. Please be very careful. Right choice of words, right placement of words, and no missing words. Do not miss words. If you take care of all these three things, this will lead to correct sentence making. And if you do not, it will lead to incorrect sentence making. It will be a correctness hit. It will hit your correctness. So be very careful while choosing your word. And the only solution to this challenge would be better on your diction. That is choice of words and vocabulary. The vocabulary is sentence-based meaning of the word. So you know which word has to be chosen and you also know the meaning of that word. So there will be very less chances of making mistakes when it comes to correctness. Then comes our third C. It is conciseness. Oh, we Indians are great storytellers, trust me. We speak too much. So it's always good to be to the point, concise. Kam bolo, kam ka bolo. Speak less, speak worthy. Now how to do that? We have been brought up in a way where we have been taught to make an outline before speaking. एक रूपरेखा बनानी पड़ेगी तभी आप बोलें. Not needed. So what you need to do is to practice conciseness, use power words in your communication. Now what are these power words? Power words are the words that convey the entire message completely and impactfully. वो शब्द जो पूरा का पूरा संदेश दें प्रभाव से. So apply power words in your communication. So you won't be a storyteller. You'll be very concise, you'll be to the point, you'll be crisp. So this is the third thing that you have to take care of. So far we have done clarity, clarity of thoughts, clarity of tongue. Second thing, correctness. Right choice of words, right placement of words, and not missing words. Third thing is conciseness. Be to the point, crisp and clear. And for that, do practice power words. See, in today's time, on a click, just a click on your keyboard, or maybe a keystroke, or just a click on your mobile, you have Google. So you can always get the list of power words that you can apply in your communication. A keystroke has the entire world in front of you, the ocean of knowledge, Google. Now, moving ahead, what I would like to tell is, the last C that I would like to discuss is the most important. Completeness. Your communication, your message may go hayway if it is not complete. Incomplete communication makes people victim of presumptions and assumptions. I thought, I felt. मैंने सोचा, मुझे लगा. Do not let that happen with people. It is very, very important. If you do not want people to be victims of presumptions and assumptions, please make sure that you practice the thing to counter presumption and assumptions. And the only way to counter presumptions and assumptions is affirmations and confirmations. Affirmations are given and confirmations are taken. Whenever you tell something to someone, do cross-check. Have you understood? Are you able to, gather what I have told you? Are we on the same platform? This is how we confirm. This is the right way to confirm, my dear friends. That's very, very important. Affirmations, you have to give. Confirmation, ली जाती है, affirmation दी जाती है. So you have to give affirmation. This is what you meant. Have I rightly understood? This is what you want me to do? Is this your address? Is this your phone number? Could you please repeat that for me once again? These are affirmations. Trust me, friends, I can write it in my blood and give it to you. Believe me. If you practice confirmations and affirmations, neither you nor the other person will become a victim of presumptions and assumptions. That's very important. That's very important. Complete communication helps you save time, money and effort. All three. Trust me. I repeat. It will help you save time, money and effort. Otherwise, you will land up spending a lot of time, money and effort because people will come and say, I thought, I felt. मैंने सोचा, मुझे लगा. I assumed, I presumed. So assumptions and presumptions, they lead to goof-ups. Do not forget that. So friends, as I had promised you that today I'll be sharing these 4 C's: clarity, correctness, conciseness and completeness with you. In my next video, I'll be coming out with the advanced 4 C's. That is how to be more confident, convincing, concrete in your communication and very comprehensive. So for today, I think this much will be sufficient, and please keep watching the series of the videos that I'll be putting on my channel Vipin Serene. That's very important because they are going to be in continuation. So do not miss any one of them. Thank you so much. See you soon next time.